I am a PhD student at Moustapha University, and I'm pleased to present to you today the fading work of our research, recent research. It is deep in the field of the sentiment analysis with the Mauritania dialect. Our aim is to reviewing classification text in Mauritania dialect using machine learning techniques. So that I start with the plan of the presentation. I will follow the outline plans started by an introduction, a brief introduction of classification text on sentiment analysis, and the tools and implementation. And I will discuss the result phasing, and get the perspective recommendation for future work. And I do a bit conclusion. For the introduction, sentiment analysis is a process of analyzing textual data to determine the sentiment explicit within the text. The goal is to identify and extract subject information from a text. In sentiment analysis, NLP algorithms are used to classify text as positive, negative, or neutral. So we can use algorithm in the field of NLP, natural language processing, to classify all text in positive or negative or neutral sentiments, looking to the emotion behind all text. But the particularity of our research is use the apply this approach in on the Hassania dataset. It is a local dialect in Mauritania. So nextly, do you for implementing our approach, we use the architecture methodology. It consists of five main stage or step. It is the first step. It is the data collection. We collect various data from Facebook. So it is a platform Mauritania to construct in order to construct a data set properly in Hassania. And nextly, we use the filter extraction that has backward and TFD, EFD. And in the three stage or phases, we split the data in training set and testing set. After that, we apply three different algorithms, and we evaluated their performance. Nextly, in this, we gonna to speak or to explain what is the Hassania dialect or the Mauritania dialect. The Mauritania dialect name is Hassania. It is a dialect locally widely used in Mauritania for exchange between the membership or the popularity in Mauritania. Also, is used in social media, precisely in the platform Facebook. It is widely used in Mauritania for poster, comments, and it is used in Mauritania. For that, we look to classify text in the dialect. That can be used for the governance and enhance the efficacy of the governance. Next, there we use we clean text. This is the processes what is used to cleaning text, Hassania text, and extract the information. This process is passed by this all text. It is cloned and tokenized in multi-token in order to delivering the information behind the text. That is an example. It is just an example of a text is tokenized. We use the model back of word anti-GFD frequency term frequency with gram. Patch n equals 1 and this n equals 2. We can constate that is a small difference between what gram equals 1 and equals 2. Equals 1, that's divided all sentence in tokens, and comparatively, it's not comparatively to the n equal twist, it is more long than the one precedently. Nextly, we use the three machine learning algorithm, such as the SVM. It is the SQL vector machine. It is a machine learning classifier used for classifier problem, such as all problem in natural language processing, such as text classification, machine image recognizer, or other tasks in the area of the in the NLP. And we use the logistical regression algorithm. It is also a machine learning classifier, but this use the logical function to calculate the probability of class internship for what's on the category in the data set. That is logical regression. And we use also, we apply also random forest algorithm. It is a machine learning algorithm. It consists of the many decision tree for classification tasks. We use that, we apply this tree algorithm in order to compare this performance and delivering text classification in dialect Hassania. This is the tools and environment what it's used for to implement our approach successfully. We use firstly scraper work. It is used to get all comment from web from Facebook platform in order to construct or to build a data set. And also we use Weka. In one hand, we use Weka to apply this algorithm or technical machine learning. And we use another hand, the library scikit-learn to Python to build a script able to, in the Kaggle. Kaggle is no Kaggle, Colab. We use Colab for testing our secrets. This is three main tools what is used or during our work. Nextly, this is our fading recita what is captured from in our work what is did. We look for the firstly we use gram and gram with the bow method or approach. We constate the SVM algorithm gets achieved with a result of 58. It is highest gated comparatively of the logical regression and the random forestry. And likely when you look to the bingram, it is the logical regression is high achieved with the higher results. And we also apply the same thing with the TF-EDF approach. And that gets other results. We found that the logical regression is outperformant algorithm when we use TFG method with gram, also with bgram. That is our fitting when we apply the method TFG, EFD with gram and bgram. another hand, we use Eureka and we combine the Arabic stream Khoja and multi-stop words and the tokenization with concept appropriate, and that we apply a simple logical algorithm that's achieved with an accuracy equals to 73 26 pure per hundred. That is our result what you use Weka with other text processing such as Arabic text, Arabic stammer that is consist of dividing all word or sentence in a stammer based in the Khoja dictionary. There we look to more details in each class when we use word and TFD method. We constate that the positive class it is more classified in the when we use Go with Enneagram. Positive is the more unlikely the natural classes is lessly. It is more got boring results. And that same thing for TFD with Enneagram. We consider that a positive class is also class more with precision with 82 pure and run. For this perspective for our work, what is did, we recommend that future work looking to enhance the data set in order to find more precise result. We use a data set, it is not a big data set. It is important and to improve the data set, it is a big data set, we can find best result more than what is get in this research. And another one, we recommend to the future research to apply other model like this model, bird-based model. We can use also the what's name the fine tuning method. It is a new and you can use that with fine tuning the bird model in the Hassania text to determine the best term in performance. It is important to use the bird model. And also, we recommend that the future work to investigate the feasibility of this real-time approach. This approach would be used in real time. Like you use classification text. We classify real-time text and get the result timely. In conclusion, we can complete our research what is we construct a data set for Hassania. It is not exist before, and we apply a classification technology on the data set, and we get satisfying results. It is not a high score, but it is satisfying. And we consider that conclusion it is machine learning able to classify, we can conclude this machine learning technique is able to classify Arabic text, also classify the dialect Mauritania text. That is some of the references, and thank you for your attention. If you have a question, do you have a question? Hello? Do you have a question? Do you hear me? Yeah. About technology, we use technology that is the technology what is divided all sentence or word in a token. A token it is can say that is a word. It is not long. Donc all sentence or word in our data, it is divided in more second. About data, we firstly we got collect data from Facebook platform and we labeled data in three categories: negative, positive, and neutral classes. After that, we use this data for to training set our algorithm, and we evaluated this algorithm in just in 20% of this data. Clear? Other question? That's clear?